What's up, cyber friends? Kyser here. Evan and Cyber, day 4. Let's go. Day 4, web exploitation. Santa's running behind. McSys admin managed to reset everyone's access except Santa's. Santa expected some urgent travel itinerary for his route over Christmas. Rumor has it that Santa never followed the password security recommendations. Can use brute forcing to help him access his accounts. Learning objectives. In today's task, we're going to learn the following: understanding authentication and where it is used, understanding what fuzzing is, understanding what burp sweep is and how we can use it for fuzzing a login form to gain access. Apply this knowledge to retrieve Santa's travel itinerary. What is authentication and where is it used? Authentication is a process of verifying a user's identity, establishing that they are who they say they are. Authentication can be proven using a variety of authentication means, including a known set of credentials to the server and user, such as a username and password. Token authentication. These are unique pieces of encrypted text. Biometric authentication, fingerprints, retina data, etc. What is fuzzing? Put simply, fuzzing is an automated means of testing an element of a web application until the application gives vulnerability or valuable information. When we are fuzzing, we provide information as we would typically when interacting with it, just at a faster rate. This means that we can use extensive lists known as word lists to test a web application's response to various information. Fuzzing with burp sweep. Answer the following questions below. Alright, now that means we need to start the attack box. So scroll all the way back to the top. Start machine. And wait for the machine. And we want to start our own attack box. Okay, my attack box is loaded and is ready to go. So the first question is access the login form at, and then this is our target machine's location here. This is actually 3 points. There's no answer needed for this. But let's go ahead and navigate there. So we're still going to need to navigate there no matter what. And http://1010.201.202. Enter. Santa's travel itinerary. And then this is the login. Let's get these presents delivered. Next question. Configure burp sweep in Firefox. Submit some dummy credentials and intercept the request. Use intruder to attack the login form. To launch burp sweep, we come up here to applications, we hover over other, and then we click on burp sweep. And this is burp sweep community edition. Click on next. Use the default. Start burp. Wait for the project to start. Go ahead and click on OK. Go to the proxy tab. Make sure intercept is on. Mine was already on when I hit the proxy tab. Go back to Firefox, and we're going to click on the Foxy Proxy extension right here. And we want to use burp. Now we need to send some dummy data. And since we're trying to get Santa's account, I don't know if this matters or not, but I'm going to pass in Santa here. And then for the password, we're just going to do some dummy data here. And then click on login. The instructions say, please note that the web browser will hang, so that's important. You will get stuck here. We need to go back to burp. So we need to right click somewhere in this window and send to intruder. And then go to the intruder tab. Go to the positions tab. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and complete this for the 3 points, because this is what we're doing right now. It's not a question, it's just telling you what to do. Click on clear. So we put username here, and since we're trying to get into Santa's account, we will do username Santa, and then we'll click the add here, and we will do password equals, and then This doesn't really matter, I think, but we'll just do password 123. Change the attack type to cluster bomb. Click on payloads. We're going to load a payload here, and the payload is located in slash, and then root, and then rooms, AOC 3, day 4, and here is the password list, passwords.txt. Click on that and click open. Here is the passwords that we're passing in. Go ahead and start attack. And we're doing an attack. We are attacking it right now. As you can see, it's going through every single line of the passwords list. It has finished. Unsuccessful passwords will return a certain length, and successful passwords will return another length. So if we look at this, if we scroll over, you can see length, and you can see, 2573, 2573, 2463. So this one succeeded. So come back over to Firefox. Make sure your Foxy proxy is turned off now that we have the password. Username is Santa. Password is cookie. Hit enter. Don't save. And this is the flag right there. And hit submit. And that is done. Challenge done. Challenge over. Okay, so I couldn't get Burp Sweep to work the way I wanted it to, and I figured out why that was the case. And the reason why that was the case was because I forgot one critical step. I forgot to do the add dollar symbol on the password value. So it kind of messed up my attack, and that's why my values weren't the values that I was looking for. And how I got the password was I just tried every single password in the list until I got one, and that's how I figured out that the password was cookie, because I just brute forced it myself, not using Burp Sweep the proper way. And the reason why I did that is because I was running out of time. I normally don't cheat on things like that. However, I was limited on time, and I figured I could brute force it myself rather than get Burp Sweep to work the right way. I'm not a Burp Sweep pro by any means. This is an entry to Burp Sweep for me, and so it took me a long time to get Burp Sweep to work, and I didn't even get it to work all the way. So that is how I figured out the password. But make sure you don't forget the add here on password. That was where I messed up at. That was the only thing I did wrong. Unfortunately, since I'm out of time, I can't try again. As you can see, TryHackMe is disconnected. But yeah, that was it. This challenge, I don't know if it was just me being not smart and taking too long, or if the instructions were unclear. However, this was a little tricky. But if you know how to use Burp Sweep, it probably won't be tricky. But if you're brand new to Burp Sweep, it was a little tricky for me to get this. So definitely a harder challenge, but I did complete it, and I did get it done, and that's really all that matters. I will learn how to do Burp Sweep more in depth later on, so I'm not too worried about it. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and then hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more content. We got much more Advent of Cyber on the way, so hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, take care, have a good one. Kyser, out.